Can Pepe coin reach $1? Is there any possibility this coin can reach $1? Now, based on the Pepe coin statistics and analysis, based on the market cap, based on the supply, based on the trading volume, based on the popularity, based on the listing of this coin, of course, the partnership with different companies. Now, let me tell you this: Pepe coin is one of the top 4 coins like Shiba Inu. Okay, one of the top coins are just like Shiba Inu. You know, Shiba Inu has been regarded as one of the biggest crypto coins that's ever priced, pumped, and dominated the internet. Shiba Inu coin, you all know that. Now, so many coins have tried to imitate, have tried to even push up to the level of Shiba Inu. Okay, now there are some coins that have raised great awareness. Coin like Ape coin. Now, Pepe coin. Now, the latest one right now is not, it was launched about 3 or 4 days ago, which is C Network. C Network coin. These coins are trying to push up. Now, Pepe coin is one of the top 3, top 4 coins. We all know how Floki Ino did it, and it worked for them. For me, the price of Pepe coin to $1. Remember, if Shiba Inu will find it difficult to reach $1, what about Pepe coin? Now, it all depends. Shiba Inu might be more popular, have let's say more users, more wallets created, and they have more support, more social media engagement. But that doesn't mean that some other coins cannot surpass Shiba Inu. Now, for me, Pepe coin, it all depends on the supply. One of the key things, one of the key important things you need to focus on is the supply of Shiba Inu and the supply of Pepe coin. Shiba Inu have more supplies than Pepe coin. There's a possibility for Pepe coin to burn out their supply than Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu is ranked among the top 15 crypto coins with the highest market cap. It was top 18. They later pushed up. Now they're among the top 14, top 15. Now, Pepe coin is still ranked among the top 100, but remember, it's still a new coin. Now, if they continue with the way they are doing things, believe me, this coin will keep on increasing every day in terms of market cap, and I see this coin rising. But they need right now, they don't need to wait, they just need right now to start immediately implement the burning of this coin so fast. They need to focus, they need to bring ways and strategies that can burn. If they can focus on the burning. Shiba Inu did that mistake when they started. They didn't focus on the burning of the Shiba Inu coin. It was later that Shiba Inu started trying to push that mass burning, trying to educate, trying to let people burn Shiba Inu. But even till now, Shiba Inu is not burning more coin. But Pepe coin needs to start on time, and believe it, they are going to burn more coin, and it's going to push. $1, there's a possibility for Pepe coin in the nearest future. It is very, very much possible. But please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.